Hey guys, I'm going to show you on your irrigation controller if you need to know how many stations or zones that you have and whether or not what you're setting on your controller, or if you need to add some in because you're expanding your landscape and you need to know if you can add more on or if you have to upgrade your controller. We'll show you a quick little easy way to check that. Alright, so here on a Hunter controller, it's going to be pretty much the exact same on a Rainbird. If you, the little area where you grab will be a little bit different, but if you can grab right over here, this faceplate is actually on a hinge, and then you can look at the inside of the controller. So right here are where all your stations are. So these red wires, each one's going to represent one of your stations. So you can see, if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we have 6 plugged into this controller. So we have 6 stations running. This white one is just a common wire, kind of like a ground wire, so that one doesn't count. You're just looking at your red ones. So now if you're adding on to your irrigation because you're expanding it, you know you have on this one quite a bit of room to add to it before you fill up the controller. Or if you're just programming it, you know you only need to set 6 of your stations to run because that's all you have. So there's a quick way of looking at your irrigation controller to see what you have available. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below and we'll get it answered for you. Thanks a lot.